Travelers love exploring the unique blend of historic fortresses, lush landscapes, and cosmopolitan elegance, all found in close proximity. Luxembourg is an ideal weekend break destination with plenty to see and do. Luxembourg is a compact country, so you can get a lot done in the day. The nation has its own unique culture and character. During the 19th century, there were as many as 14 Grand Duchies in Europe, but Luxembourg is the only one remaining upholding the tradition. Luxembourg is not a big place, and its capital city is the best place to start any journey. Here, you will find a place pulsing with energy where people exchange ideas and stories, and culture, business, and relaxation combined. For dreamers and culture vultures, there are castles and palaces, museums, and countless other inspiring cultural hotspots to discover. The Cathedral Notre Dame in Luxembourg was originally a Jesuit church, the foundation stone of which was laid in 1613. The church is a remarkable example of late Gothic, but has various elements and ornaments influenced by the Renaissance style. And of the 18th and in the 19th century, the church looked up the image of grace of the Comforter of the Saddened, the patron saint of the city and state. Around 50 years later, it received the consecration title of Liebenfrauenkirche, and in 1870 it was elevated to the Cathedral of Our Lady by Pope Pius IX. Between 1935 and 1938, the cathedral was expanded and enlarged. The Grand Ducal Palace is the Grand Duke of Luxembourg's official residence, where he fulfills the majority of his duties as the Grand Duchess head of state. It is without a doubt one of the city's most magnificent facades. You will be surprised by Luxembourg's diversity, and you will enjoy getting to know the multifaceted character of this small land of short distances. The heart of this vibrant, cosmopolitan, modern, and simultaneously green capital city beats in the center of Luxembourg on impressive historical foundations. This area is predominantly made up of stores and companies. The center district is mostly devoted to services, shopping, and luxury. Luxembourg continues to be listed as the world's richest country in terms of GDP per capita by the United Nations, owing to its status as a renowned financial hub with 150 banks within its borders. Its people, languages, and traditions are all heavily influenced by its neighbors, resulting in a blend of French and German cultures. Thanks to the effective and well-connected public transit system, since 2020, public transport has been free for everybody, including residents as well as tourists. This is the case for trains, trams, and buses. In other words, you don't need to buy a ticket anymore. The only exception are tickets and subscriptions for the first class, which still have to be paid for. A fee will be charged at the applicable rates. However, all passengers must be able to show a personal identity document at any time if requested. As first-timer in this small, magnificent country, I walked out onto the capital city's Chemin de la Corniche. The remarkable scene captivates me, also called the most beautiful balcony of Europe, built by the Spaniards and the French in the 17th century. From the elevated balcony of this winding promenade, Luxembourg's widescreen cityscape was revealed like an establishing shot of an epic Hollywood movie. I spent much time here soaking in deep, narrow valley, deep cliffs, twisting roads, distant spires, grand stone bridges, and dense greenery. From a distance located a castle bridge was built out of red sandstone in 1735, replacing a wooden construction with a drawbridge in use until then. Luxembourg is not only Europe's richest country, but it also has a rich culture, history, and nature. Indeed, this small country contains countless of experiences, be it castle hunting or walking through the UNESCO Old Town. The country is covered in trees, so it is not hard to find relaxing and restorative spot just a short distance from the busy streets. This country will not disappoint. It is a beautiful country that I enjoyed visiting. It's quite a small country, so spending 2 to 3 days would be fair enough. One of the best things that boost your experience in Luxembourg is free transportation. Transportation is modern, comfortable, and well-connected, so you will enjoy moving around the city easily. Luxembourg is the first country in the world that offers free transportation. So if you are planning to going to Europe, then you should visit Luxembourg. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, choose